Have a spreadsheet in Excel that you like to insert into a Word document? I'll show you 3 easy ways to insert your spreadsheet into your Word document. Okay, today we have a salary report that we need to create in Word, and we have the information in Excel. So what we can do is just select up the information that we want to use in Excel, highlight it, right-click, click copy, and then we go to our Word document, and in our Word document under the paste we have a couple different options that we could use. The first two that we're going to be looking at are just copying the spreadsheet over as a table. The first one uses the format, colors, etc., pulling it from Excel into our document. Now we can also bring the second option in, is bring it in as a table, and it does not bring in the characteristics of the Excel as far as colors and stuff. It uses the colors based on how the table is set up in your Word document. Now, with this option, we can actually go in and we can modify the sales sizes and make any kind of adjustments that we want to make adjustments to. We can actually do that also in the one as set up as a Word table. Now, if you see here, we have a total at the bottom, and if we go and make a change, let's say we see that this should have been $85,000, and if you notice the total here when we click on this does not change, so it's not bringing the formula along over to add up all these different salaries. But you can make any kind of changes that you would like in the data. That you could use for in your report. So that's one option we could do. Now the next option we have is that we can actually bring the document in. Let's go back here a little bit more. We can actually use the next two options if we want to have our Excel spreadsheet. As we update our spreadsheet in Excel, it will update our report for us. That is called the link. So if we click this one here, this brings again the format over from Excel. Also, if we drop down here and let's just bring in a table one so we can actually see both of them here. Now, if we go back to our Excel spreadsheet, and let's say we are going to make a change that this director is that director of IT, it actually should be a director of finance. If you notice, as soon as I hit enter, it automatically updated into my document. Here again, let's say we want to change this to $85,000. And so we go up here and we make our change to reflect that to $85,000. If you notice here, over here, and our total will automatically update. In this case, it will actually update on both documents because we're copying the same data. As soon as I click out of this, it will automatically update our document. So now it gives us our new total. So the nice thing is, as you make changes on your spreadsheet, your report is being updated instantaneously at the same time. If for some reason your report doesn't update right away, you can actually go up, click on your report, right click and tell it to update the link, and it will update the document for you. Now, another option we have is, let's get rid of this data, and another choice would be, let's select up our document again, or our spreadsheet again, and this time we can bring it over. You can bring it over as just text if you just want to bring it over and work with it that way, if there's a need to do it that way. Another way is actually you can bring it over as a picture. The nice thing about this is, as you send the document out, nobody can edit the information because it's actually set up as a picture. So you can actually make, you can actually have that in your document, and you know nobody can change it, which in the other cases they could actually go in and key a different change to it on the report unless you protect your Word document. So that is some options, 3 options that you could use to bring your spreadsheet over into a Word document for a report or whatever you might want to use it for. I now encourage you to try inserting a Excel spreadsheet into a Word document on your own. Share your experiences in the comments below. If this video helps, please like and subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Here are some more videos that will help you to be more productive with Excel and Word.